Catalina, 1957. An international contingent of riders converge on a beautiful island off the coast of California. Here's something new, a Yamaha built in Japan by a piano company. By the looks of it, they should stick to making pianos. They line up for the start, and the spectators are wild with anticipation. And they're off. But women and small children should not watch the next scene, as we will witness one of the most horrible accidents in motorcycle racing history. Slow-motion camera shows the beating they take as they nearly go into orbit over the jump. It's too bad for our Japanese friends. That'll probably be the last Yamaha they'll send over here. Coming back into town, they fly off a curb as if it wasn't even there. And 100 miles later, the survivors cross the finish line.
A quarter of a century ago, the Catalina Grand Prix was the ultimate. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Supercross, the sports success story of the decade. The tracks are constructed on football fields with bulldozers and tons of dirt. They are designed with three things in mind: to test the machine, reward risk-taking, but above all, to put on a great show for 100,000 screaming fans.